Hello guys, welcome back to Commission Corner. In this channel, now we will share all the content regarding the commission exams of Himachal or other state or PSUs, or most probably we will cover the MCQs of Civil Engineering section and Himachal GK, Himachal General Knowledge, which will come in the HPAS exams. Very soon I will post MCQs regarding Himachal history or Himachal general knowledge and the administrative history of Himachal Pradesh. So please make sure to like, share and subscribe this channel. And today we will continue with the civil engineering topic of design of steel structures. So yeah, support this channel and I will give you the content you need. So today we will be doing part 3 of design of steel structure. 100 question we have already done, so we will continue from 101 question. सो आज हम 100 क्वेश्चन हमने पहले ही कर लिए हैं, तो अब आज हम उससे आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 101, द मैकेनिज्म मेथड एंड स्टैटिकल मेथड गिव. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस. upper and lower bound respectively on the strength of the structure. The mechanism method give the upper bound and statistical method give the lower bound strength of structure. For frame with large degree of static indeterminacies, the mechanism method is simpler than the statical method. For frame with large degree of static indeterminacies. So question number 103. In the T section, as shown in figure, all dimensions are in mm. The distance of plastic neutral axis from top is, option number B is the correct answer, 15 mm. The distance of plastic neutral axis from top neutral axis का distance from the top of the plastic, तो हम जो वेब की डेप्थ है उसका हाफ करेंगे 25 एंड जो हमारी विड्थ है वो है 10 mm. So 25 minus 10, the answer will be the 15 mm. So yeah, option B is the correct answer. Next question number 104. The effect of axial force and shear force on the plastic movement capacity of a section are, option number D is the correct answer, to decrease the plastic movement capacity in both cases. Effect of axial force and shear force, they will decrease the plastic movement capacity in both the cases. Next question number 105. If the structure is statistically indeterminate to second degree, then the maximum number of plastic hinges required to render the structure a mechanism is, C is the correct answer. Yes, 3 is the correct answer. Next question 106. Which of the following section will have largest shape factor? So the correct answer will be this for diamond. Diamond का जो shape factor है वो सबसे ज़्यादा होता है. Next question number 107. The shape factor for a solid circular section subjected to bending about its diameter is 1.7. Option number C is the correct answer. Next question number 108. The plastic section modulus for a rectangular section of width B and depth D is, option number B is the answer for this, BD square upon 4. Next question number 109. Load factor is defined as the ultimate load upon working load. Option number C is the correct answer for this. जो हमारा लोड फैक्टर है वो डिफाइन होता है एज अल्टीमेट लोड अपॉन वर्किंग लोड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 110. द मोमेंट कर्वेचर रिलेशन एट द प्लास्टिक हिंज इज constant moment for all curvature. Option number C. Next question number 111. Shape factor is the property which depends only on the geometry of the section. Option number C is the correct answer. जो शेप फैक्टर है वो प्रॉपर्टी जो डिपेंड करती है सिर्फ जियोमेट्री सेक्शन पे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 112. द स्टैटिकल मेथड ऑफ प्लास्टिक एनालिसिस satisfies equilibrium and plastic movement condition. Option number B is the correct answer for this. जो हमारा स्टैटिकल मेथड है प्लास्टिक एनालिसिस का वो सेटिस्फाई करता है इक्विलिब्रियम और प्लास्टिक मूवमेंट कंडीशंस को. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 113. The mechanism method of plastic analysis satisfy equilibrium and mechanism condition. Here we can understand the difference between statical method and the mechanism method. As in statical method, plastic analysis satisfy equilibrium and plastic movement condition, and in mechanism method it satisfy equilibrium and mechanism conditions. Next, question number 114. Plastic section modulus for a circular section of diameter d is dq upon 6. So let's see the correct answer. Let's find out. Option number C is the correct answer for this. Next, question number 115. Load factor is always greater than the factor of safety. As you know, the load factor is always will be greater than the factor of safety. Next, question number 116. The ratio of plastic section modulus to elastic section modulus is always greater than 1. Option number C is the correct answer for this. This is the direct statement guys. ये सीधी एक direct statement है जिसका इन्होंने MCQ बना दिया है. 115th और 116th क्वेश्चन दोनों. लोड फैक्टर जो है वो हमेशा ज़्यादा होगा फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी से. The ratio of plastic section modulus to elastic section modulus जो वो भी हमेशा greater than 1 रहती है. Next, question number 117. Other condition being same, the load factor in indeterminate structure is, option number B is the correct answer, more than the load factor in indeterminate structure. Number 118. Which of the following condition is to be satisfied both in elastic and plastic analysis? कौन सी ऐसी कंडीशन है जो दोनों इलास्टिक और प्लास्टिक एनालिसिस में सेटिस्फाई होनी चाहिए? तो आंसर इज इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशंस. Next, question number 119. In a virtual work method, the virtual quantity is displacement. A is the correct option. Displacement is the virtual quantity in virtual work method. Next question. As you can see the diagram here. So yeah, let's see the question. In a prop cantilever loaded as shown in the figure, the plastic hinge will form at 0.414 L from B. Next, question number 121. Here is also diagram shown. If a uniform beam shown in a figure has the plastic moment capacity MP for span A and 0.9 MP for span PC, the correct virtual work equation for this is given by, the correct option for this will be option number C, MPQ plus 0.9 MPQ plus 2Q upon 3 is equal to W into 2 into Q. Next question. At a fully plastic section, infinite rotation can occur at constant plastic movement. जो हमारी constant plastic movement होती है guys, उस पे हमारी infinite rotation हो सकती है fully plastic section में. Next question. A simply supported beam of rectangular section and span L is subjected to uniformly distributed load at the center. The length of elastoplastic zone of the plastic hinge will be L upon root 3. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question. The plastic design method is advantageous replacement of elastic design method for the structure stressed primarily in bending in case of statically loaded structure. Yes. Dynamically loaded structure. No. Determinate structure. No. Indeterminate structure. Yes. So the correct option will be option number B, statistically loaded structure and indeterminate structures. Next, question number 125. As per IS 800, in the plastic design, which of the following pair are correctly matched? Dead load, load factor of dead load is 1.7, correct. Dead load and imposed load factor 1.7, correct. Dead load plus load due to wind or seismic force 1.3, no, the factor will be 1.2. Dead load plus imposed load plus load due to wind, this is also a false statement, so the correct answer will be answer number A, option number A, first and second statement, correct. Next question. The shape factor of an isosceles triangle for the bending about axis parallel to the base is, option number D is the correct answer, 2.34. Next, question number 127. In case of a plastic design, the calculated maximum shear capacity of beam as per IS 800 shall be, option number A is the correct answer, 0.55 AWFY. प्लास्टिक डिज़ाइन में मैक्सिमम शेयर कैपेसिटी बीम की जो कैलकुलेट की जाती है एज पर IS 800 वो होनी चाहिए 0.55 AWFY। यहाँ पे हमारा AW है इफेक्टिव क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया ऑफ रेजिस्टिंग शेयर और FY है यील्ड स्ट्रेस ऑफ स्टील। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द अलाउएबल स्ट्रेस फॉर द डिज़ाइन ऑफ स्टील टैंक आर टेकन एज, the correct answer will be 1 and 2. 1.25 is a factored. So yeah. Next question, 129th. The minimum thickness of a steel plate which is directly exposed to weather and is not accessible for cleaning and repainting should be 8 mm. जो स्टील प्लेट की मिनिमम थिकनेस होनी चाहिए जो डायरेक्टली एक्सपोज्ड है वेदर पे और उस पर क्लीनिंग भी नहीं हो सकती है और रीपेंटिंग भी नहीं हो सकती है, तो उसकी थिकनेस होनी चाहिए मिनिमम 8 mm. So the correct option will be option number C. Next question. The moment of inertia of a pair of vertical stiffener about the center line of the web should not be less than 1.5 d cube t cube upon c square. T is the minimum required thickness of web and c is the maximum permissible clear distance between vertical stiffener and T is the thickness as usual. So correct option will be the option number C, 1.5 d cube t cube upon c square. Next question. The connection of intermediate vertical stiffener to the web not subjected to external load shall be designed for maximum shear force of 125 t square upon h. Option number C will be the correct answer for this. T is the web thickness and h is the outstand of the stiffener. Next question. When the vertical intermediate stiffener are subjected to bending moment due to eccentricity of vertical load, their moment of inertia is increased by 150 md square upon et. Option number B is the correct answer. M is the applied bending moment, D is the overall depth, E is the Young modulus, and T is the thickness. Next question number 133. For a compression member with a double angle section, which of the following section will give larger value of minimum radius of gyration? Option number B, unequal legged angle with long legs back to back. The option number B is correct. Question number 134th. Lug angle are used to reduce the length of the connection. लग एंगल होते हैं हमारे, जैसे जो भी हमारा गर्डर वगैरह डिज़ाइन होता है तो उस पे इन्हें हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं ताकि हमारी जो लेंथ है कनेक्शन की वो कम हो सके और लोड पेयर करने में भी कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द रिविट फॉर रिविट इन टेंशन विल विद काउंटर संक हेड द टेंसाइल वैल्यू शैल बी reduced by 33.3%. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question. A steel beam supporting load from the floor slab as well as from wall is termed as spandrel beam. कोई स्टील बीम आपका लोड जो सपोर्ट कर रहा है स्लैब से भी और दीवार से भी तो उसे हम बोलते हैं स्पैंड्रल बीम. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पिच ऑफ टैगिंग रिवेट when double angle connected back to back and acting as a tension member should not be more than, option number C, 1000 mm. Next question. In a moment resistant connection, moment resistance of riveted connection depend upon tension of the rivets. Option number C. Next question. The allowable shear stress in the web mild steel beams decreases with decrease in the height upon T ratio. H is the height and T is the thickness. So the allowable shear stress in the web mild steel beam decreases with increase in H upon T ratio. Next question. The ratio of allowable stress bending compression to that of bending tension in steel beam is less than equals to 1. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Consider the following statements respect of design of web and flange splices. Flange splice shall be designed to actual bending moment of the section. Correct. Flange splice shall be designed to resist actual shear at the section. False. Flange web splice shall be designed to resist actual shear at the section. Correct. Web splice shall be designed to resist actual bending moment? False. So the correct answer will be statement first and the third. Flange splice shall be designed for the actual bending moment, and the web shall be designed for the actual shear at the section. Next question number 142. A base plate of area 625 centimeter square has to provide for axially loaded column ISMB 200, flange width 100. Which of the arrangements shown in the figure would result in least base plate thickness? Here you can see the figures. इसका जो आप एक बार चेक कर लेना, अगर आपको समझ आएगा तो आप पूछ सकते हो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन पे. इसका आपका करेक्ट आंसर होगा B1, B part, I section with the height of 31.5 centimeter and the width of 20 centimeter. Next question, battens provided for a compression member shall be designed to carry transverse shear equals to 2.5% of axial force in member. Option B is the correct answer. Next question, the following observation relate to designing of laced column. Single lacing system on opposite plane shall preferably be in the same direction so that one is the shadow of the other. Lacing bar should only be flat. So statement number 3, the slenderness ratio of the lacing bar for compression shall not be exceed 180. Statement number 4, laced compression member are to be provided with tie plates at the end. So the correct statement will be first and the fourth. The laced compression member are to be provided with tie plate at the end, and single lacing system on opposite plane shall preferably be the same in same direction so that one is the shade of the other. Next question. The effective length of column AB shown in the figure is, the effective length is greater than 0.7 L but less than L. Option number C is the correct answer. Axial tension, allowable value of stress is 0.60 Fi, which is 3. Bending tension, which allowable value of stress is 0.4 Fi. Bearing maximum shear stress 0.75 Fi. Bearing stress 0.66 Fi. B. Next question 147. A portal frame subjected to a central concentrated load and horizontal load as shown in the figure. So figure आप देख सकते हो. Likely position where plastic hinges can form in a combined mechanism would include. इसमें हमें बताना है कि प्लास्टिक हिंज कहाँ कहाँ पे लग सकते हैं. So the correct answer is B. 1 फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे, 4th पे एंड द 5th पोजीशन पे यहाँ पे प्लास्टिक हिंज लगने के चांसेस हैं. Next question, 3 type of continuous beams supporting a concentrated load at the central span as shown in figure. Collapse load corresponding to figure 13.7 A, B and C respectively. Which one of the conclusion is correct? So here are the figures. Here we can see the loads acting P1, P2, P3 and the moments. P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P3. C option is the correct answer. P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P3. Yes, the value of Pu is equal same for all of them. So the total of resultant will be equal. So yeah, P1 equal to P2 equal to P3. This is the correct answer. Next question. For a certain longitudinal span, a beam an industrial building requires section modulus of 423 centimeter cube. Which of the following statement set of section would be more suitable for this purpose? तो एक सर्टेन लॉन्गिट्यूडल स्पैन है, इंडस्ट्रियल बिल्डिंग के लिए यूज़ करना है जिसका सेक्शन मॉडुलस होगा 423. तो इसमें से हमें इंडस्ट्री के लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो हमें ISLB 300 जिसकी हमारी जो ZSX की वैल्यू है 483, सेक्शन मॉडुलस की वैल्यू जो है 488 which is greater than 423 and Z5Y is 50.2 which is sufficient enough. So yeah, ISLB 300 and 37.7. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. और ये हमारे लिए इकोनॉमिकल भी होगा तो इसलिए हम इसे प्रेफर करेंगे यूज़ करना एज कम्पेयर टू IS 325 और 3600. Next question, last question for this session guys. The channel or angle in the compression cord of the steel truss girder bridges are turned outward in order to increase cross-sectional area, section modulus, torsion constant, radius of gyration. रेडियस ऑफ गायरेशन को इंक्रीज करने के लिए उन्हें थोड़ा सा टर्न किया जाता है आउटवर्ड के लिए. So yeah, option number D is the correct answer. So next 50 question we will do in next session, guys. Please.
So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. Signing off, Commission Corner. Please like, share and subscribe and support this channel. Thank you guys.